Hi guys, for our Six Sigma on the Run, I'd like to talk about hypothesis testing. As we all know, we do hypothesis testing during the analyze phase. And for those p-values below 0.05, we investigate further, right? So the goal is that when we finally discover our real root causes, we provide action plans. And during the improve phase, we observe, especially during the pilot, and we do a series of hypothesis tests once again, and this time we are expecting that p-values will now be greater than 0.05 because we already have provided action plans. We'll discuss this further, guys. Happy Tuesday. Let's exercise. To add this segment in this particular Six Sigma on the Run, it's a question from a viewer. He asks, is it possible to combine the CEO mindset and the billionaire's mindset? Actually, they go hand in hand naturally. So let's say you have a financial problem. So the CEO would take accountability, right? And definitely, he has planned for that eventuality before it actually happens. While the billionaire has this mindset of daily grind, not wasting his time, and working towards the fulfillment of a goal instead of wasting time in worries. So they go hand in hand. So definitely, as I keep mentioning, if it is a financial problem, look at it from the point of view of the P&L. So definitely, your bottom line is challenged, right? So it's either you reduce cost or discover other revenue streams. But what's more important is having that abundance mindset instead of the worrying mind. Happy Tuesday again, guys. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday.